Hi there, my name is Askari. So continuing our SDL series. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can resize your image. So for that, first of all you are going to make some SDL rectangles. Those will be the dimension for your image. So I'm writing here SDL rect. Then one will be the source and one will be the destination. So this is done here. Now I'm going to implement them in our game loop cpp file. But first I'm going to make an update function here in which we are going to update the size and position and everything else. Alright, update, and I'm going to implement update here. And in the update function I'm going to write the source dimension, source player dot h. So to check the image size and pixel, you have to go to your open the folder in file explorer, then go to your image, just hover the mouse over your image, and as you can see here in the dimension, it is 80 pixels multiplied by 60. So that means our height will be 60 pixels and our width will be 80 pixels. So keeping that in mind, I will write height as 60 and our width as 80. For the position, for the source position, because we want the whole image, so I will write both as 0. Source player dot x position is equals to dot y position, and I will write both as 0. Now for our destination file, I will write destination destination dimension. That will be what we are going to display on the screen. I will write width. Let's keep it the same. So I will write 80, and I will write display dot h is equals to 60. And now for the position on the screen, I will write 10 pixel apart from both edges. So I will write 10 each. So that will be dash player dot x is equals to dash player dot y is equals to 10. And after that we have to pass in here. So this place is for source and this is for destination. So I will replace them by source and dimension rectangles. I will write src and I pass them by reference. Pass by reference destination, and now we will go into our main, our driver class, driver file, and I will write the update function here. Call and let's run the program and see what we have. As you can see, I have nice and tiny little bird here, which looks quite nice, and this is what we were expecting. So this is cool. We can now put any image on the screen. To move this image, like for as an animation, we can change the dimensions again. Just go into the here, and I will show you. Let's keep our x-axis the same while changing the y-axis. So I will write test player dot y position, and let's increase it. So when I run this program, you will see a bird falling down from the sky. So this is what exactly what we expected. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.